Alright, and welcome to today's Trade with the Boys crypto special. And those of you who missed the live webinar, this is a chance for you to go through the exact same training that was shared during the paid live event. Alright, so we're going to be covering on what is blockchain and why we're living really in exciting times, and what are cryptocurrencies and why are they so hot right now, like coins like cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you know. So let's get through this right now, okay? So what we'll be covering during this session is that you'll learn about the latest update with Bitcoin as of now in March 2021, right? What's blockchain versus Bitcoin? What is the difference, right? And why do we even need cryptocurrencies in the first place when the current currency we're using is pretty good? And a little bit about Bitcoin history, Bitcoin versus Ethereum, what is the difference? Right, how big is the cryptocurrency market right now, and crypto scams, and how do you even identify them? Because I want to give you a balanced outlook on cryptocurrency space as well, right? And is it worth to even buy Bitcoin or Ethereum to keep and hold for long term? Well, before I go ahead, I just want to say that this information contains anything that's informational and for entertainment purposes only, okay? Nothing here shall be construed to be financial or legal or tax advice, right? The content in this presentation is solely opinions of the speaker, me, all right, who is not a licensed financial advisor or a registered investment advisor. So the trading cryptocurrencies poses considerable risk of loss, and the speaker does not guarantee any particular outcome. So now that we got that out of the way, let's look at what is happening right now in the cryptocurrency space. Well, first of all, very big news. On the 8th of February, Tesla announced that they bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoins. And they are officially accepting Bitcoin as payment for any purchase of the Tesla cars. So why is, at that point in time, 1.5 billion was about 30% of the revenue that Tesla was getting. But why would they invest like 30% of their revenue into Bitcoin currencies, right? And why would they want to accept Bitcoins unless they perceive that Bitcoins might be going up or could be going up, right? And Elon Musk right now is the second richest in the world as of now, and his wealth has grown by 500%, and of course recently with Bitcoin, it has grown more than double of what he has just put in. It's amazing, right? Within just a month. And also the Bank of New York Mellon, which is the US nation's oldest bank, which is considerable to be very traditional in their banking system, have started beginning financing Bitcoin and other digital cryptocurrencies. So in fact, it is the first global bank to announce plans to provide an integrated service for digital assets. So the oldest bank is the first mover into this space right now. All right, and officially MasterCard is now bringing crypto on its network. That means that MasterCard would have to buy cryptocurrencies as well if they would like to allow people to pay in cryptocurrencies. So is Visa doing the same thing as well. And Apple Pay right now, so anyone can actually link the Apple Pay to the crypto account, and and they can actually pay using Bitcoins, right? Through BitPay cards that now can be added onto Apple Wallet. So and PayPal as well also announced that they're allowing consumers to use their cryptocurrencies to pay at millions of its online merchants globally. Wow, this looks like this era that we are having right now, at least the last 2 months of February and February and March 2021, it's a big time in the history of cryptocurrencies, right? That all the payment processors are now accepting cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Well, on the other hand, when this is such a big thing right now, there's always scam as well that you need to be informed of, right? So recently there's this guy by the name of Bernard Ong who started Talk, and the company actually collapsed, and none of the people were able to get back the funds. In fact, I heard a lady put in like $500,000 in and she had nothing back, zero. So there were at least 70 police reports that were filed against the Singaporean-run crypto trading platform. So if you want to do any crypto trading, please take note that you have to select the right platform, which I will show you guys later, okay? And why. So in fact, this guy, Bernard Lin, actually on his Instagram, blatantly, post and show off that he just bought a 664,000 McLaren one day before the collapse of the company. One day before he announced the collapse, that the business collapsed. All right, the money, the investors can never get back their money. So that's why I need to give you a balance. So as much as there's a lot of hype on cryptocurrencies, I'll like show you the other side as well, so that you have a balanced view on this, all right? And also there is a company called OneCoin. That's right, OneCoin, that has embezzled like billions of dollars, collected billions of dollars, and a lawyer was being charged for helping move $400 million of OneCoin fraud proceeds, all right? And he actually pocketed about $50 million, from that. Okay, his pocket with over $50 million of money stolen from victims of OneCoin scheme, and $400 million. He laundered $400 million, and he was charged in court officially, as well as a Singaporean by the name of Fok Fook Seng at 52. He was fined $100,000. Okay, on July 1st for his offense promoting OneCoin between 2016 and 2017, and he was charged under the Multi-Level Marketing Pyramid Selling Act as a Ponzi scheme. And well, that was the first of its kind, because cryptocurrencies only became hot like recently during 2016, 17 onwards, right? But only now cryptocurrencies are a little bit more stabilized, and there's a lot more certainty, and that's why MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, Apple Pay, they're accepting cryptocurrencies. So I hope this gives you a very good background about the history, about the what's happening right now in the cryptocurrency market. And the next video, I'm going to share with you how did cryptocurrencies actually come about, and why do we even need cryptocurrencies? For that, we need to talk about the history of money.